The last step before we connect our code in our JSP file to our MySQL database is to download and install the database driver. You can find it at mysql.com/download/connector/j. So here I'll click to download the zip file. I can click no thanks to take me to the download and then choose a mirror. I've already downloaded the file, so I'm going to tab over to Eclipse. And in Eclipse, I'm going to create a new project. Now you need to do this whether or not you have access to the exercise files. So create a new dynamic web project. I'll call this using_drivers. And click finish. Now if you already have access to the exercise files, then what you can do is just grab the folders and drag them into Eclipse. And so I'm going to grab web content, the source folder, and the build folder. Click and drag the three folders right on top of using drivers. Then you'll be asked if you want to link the files. I'm going to choose link and then click OK. And then I'm asked if I want to overwrite the file, so I'll click yes to all. So that's how you're going to be importing the existing projects if you're working with the existing exercise files. For those of you who don't have access to the exercise files, just expand the web content folder and right-click it, create a new JSP file called data.jsp, and just empty out all the code in it. So I just have a blank file here. And now what I'm going to do is, in my project, is expand the web-inf folder. And for the lib folder, I'm going to go over to Finder. I'm going to go in my downloads folder and find that MySQL download that I have. And in there is a .jar file. And this is a file that contains all the classes that we need to work with. So I'm going to click and drag that file right onto my lib folder and then make sure to copy the file into my project and click OK. Once you've done this, then you have the database drivers installed and you're ready to start writing code in your JSP file to connect to a database.